Hi, I'm Amanda Jarrett from Amanda's Garden Consulting, and I'm here to show you how to prune roses. This one here is a climbing rose called Tropical Lightning, which is usually quite beautiful and hardy and vigorous, but we had some issues with it last year with ants making a nest underneath it, so it didn't like that. So part of it died, and then it tried to rally forth again and threw out some stems, but this stem, so as you can see, the cane is not doing very well. It's all peeling, and if you look down below, it is actually kind of disintegrating. So I need to remove this cane because it is diseased and dying, and it needs to be removed so that other canes can take over, healthier canes. So I want this removed, and then I'm going to cut down the rest of the canes, and then also any dead stuff that's along the way. All right, and then I can go down in another section and take it off, and then I look inside, so it's turning into a piece of wood instead of a live cane from a rose. It's quite woody in there. This rose has to come out. So as I'm dealing with this rose, I see that it's got some cancer here. This is a canker, and that means that it's dying, it's dead. It has to come out. See, look at that. So when you see this on a rose, that means it's on the way out. So this was on the rose. I took it off. I didn't see this before. So now I'm not going to prune this climbing rose. I'm going to have to remove it. And if I want to put another rose here, I have to take all the soil out for about 2 feet square, if not 3 feet square, and about two feet down if I want to put another rose here, because whatever's killed this contamination here, this canker, will affect that rose too. And you can't really put a rose in into a place where a rose has been. They just don't seem to grow. They get diseased. So this is sad. I thought I'd be able to save it, but I can't. So I have to now disinfect my tools because I don't want to spread that disease to any other roses that I'm going to be pruning. It's got to be taken to the garbage, not the compost. It goes into the garbage because it has canker. And so at least you know now what to look for. If you see that kind of canker, that kind of growth on a rose and the diseased cane, then you know that there's something wrong, and have a further look like I did and saw the canker. And then you know there's not much hope for it, especially since the canker was formed at the base. So anyway, stay tuned for more rose videos on pruning and their care. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.